In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Claude AI for free image analysis. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open Claude in your browser, upload an image, write a clear prompt, and get a useful analysis without paying. First, open your web browser and go to Google. Using Google keeps this simple and ensures you land on the correct site, even if you don't remember the exact address. In the search bar, type Claude AI and press enter. You're looking for the official result with the Claude AI domain. Choosing the official site helps you avoid lookalikes or ads that might lead somewhere else. Click the Claude website result to open the app in a new tab. You should see a clean chat interface. If you land on a page that looks different from a standard chat window, double-check the domain is Claude. Once you're on the chat page, look for the plus sign icon beside the message box. That plus sign is your shortcut to attach files. Click it, then pick the image you want Claude to analyze. Screenshots, photos, and common formats like JPG or PNG generally work well. For best results, use a clear image with readable text if you want Claude to recognize details like code, labels, or UI elements. Avoid uploading sensitive or personal information. Now, craft a focused prompt to guide the analysis. You can paste this ready-made prompt and customize it if needed. Analyze this coding screenshot. Tell me, 1. What editor and language this is. 2. What the code is doing. 3. Any patterns or libraries you notice. 4. Any issues or improvements. 5. A short 2-3 sentence summary. This structure works because it sets clear expectations and gives Claude a checklist. If your image isn't code, just adapt those questions to your scenario. Ask what's in the image, what's happening, any notable details, potential problems, and a short summary. With your image attached and your prompt written, click Submit. Give Claude a moment to process. Image analysis can take a little longer than plain text. When the response appears, scan it for the key points you requested. If something's unclear, ask a quick follow-up like, "Can you highlight where you see that in the screenshot?" Or, "Summarize the main issue in one sentence." Small refinements help you get exactly what you need. That's it. You searched for Claude, opened the official site, uploaded an image with the plus icon, wrote a targeted prompt, and submitted. Keep your prompts specific, use clear images, and avoid sensitive content. Enjoy exploring image analysis with Claude. Free, fast, and surprisingly powerful.